Image display functions. Images that are of special significance can be marked as key images, for example, in a series of images, and later displayed straight away. You can mark the displayed image directly, in the bottom middle, by clicking on the tick, which will then turn green. Marking it like this will turn it into a key image. By clicking again, you can also unmark it again. You will already be able to see in the icon list image preview how many key images there are in a series of pictures. You can use the buttons All and Key to switch between displaying all images and displaying the key images. If an image preview contains more than one series, the one that is active will have a yellow line border. You will also see the number of images in the series displayed in yellow, and the number of key images displayed in green. The organizer will also show you if the series contains key images. You will now have 4 different display modes available for certain images: stack, tile, lightbox, and 3D. You can switch between the different display modes at any time. In stack mode, the images within a series lie in a stack one above the other. Only one image from each series is visible. There can be several stacks next to each other, and you can also scroll through them synchronously. In the tile display mode, all available images in a series will be displayed side by side. In lightbox mode, the images are displayed in accordance with how the images are hung on a lightbox. This display mode is particularly useful if a complete study with tomographic images needs to be displayed and printed out. If the 3D module of the EMR Manager is activated, this view can be used to display and further edit slice data from tomographic images in 3 dimensions. The data for all images displayed in the 3D view will be synthetic and interpolated image data. Therefore, for diagnostic purposes, the original data must also be used. Use of the 3D features is explained in detail in another video. In the stack and tile modes, you can right-click on the name tabs to open a context menu with reference line settings for the selected images. The image on which the reference lines are then displayed is called a pilot image. These reference lines are used to determine the positions of the tomographic images. The orange reference line will show us the position of the currently displayed image. The pilot image and the tomographic image must be related to each other, otherwise you will not see any reference lines. When all reference lines are selected, all positions of the tomographic images are displayed in the pilot image. The reference lines can also be switched off. In tile mode, yet more options are available to you. Here, you currently have only one pilot image displayed. Our example also allows for a second pilot image. Let's select it and scroll through the series. If your findings station has several screens, you can divide the series across several screens in tile mode.